Because the battery for this bike is so small, because there is no electric start, they're hard to find. I had to do some serious searching on the intertubes to find one with the right dimensions. Now we're going to attempt to fill it with electrolyte. Okay, snip tip of container of electrolyte, cut just okay, leave us, alright, cut half the tip. It's like, why would I only cut half of it off? But they meant vertically, not horizontally. Alright, connect the red fill to the cap. So this is the vent hose for eventually when it's on the bike. So I actually am wearing some safety protection on here because this is probably sulfuric acid. Yep. And I don't need that in my eyes. Alright. And now there's some lines here. You want to fill each one of these 6 segments up to in between here. And you don't want to overfill it. You probably have gloves on too. There she goes. I do hate wearing safety glasses though, because they fog up. Right now I'm filling them up into the middle, but I noticed that it's settling a little bit, so I'll go back and top them up after it's had a chance to sit. And I can also already see bubbles, and that's hydrogen, so you don't want to be smoking. Because that means the battery is functioning. Now, the reason you don't want to overfill it is because when it charges, it's going to expand and it'll spill. Go back and add just a little bit more. I splashed a little bit. Clean that. I'm going to dispose of that properly because that could catch fire. All right. Okay. And we now have a battery. Which, if I grab my voltmeter, .4. Perfect. Now we're going to install it in the bike.